मैं इतनी खुश रहती ना, कभी कभी मेरे जॉज हर्ट करते हैं स्माइल कर कर।
Congratulations for your results, Kinjal, and thank you so much for agreeing to give us this interview.
So first of all, I'm gonna start with first health. What I've achieved in health. I had major anxiety, so much that I would just drop out of nowhere. I would have panic attacks, and I would not understand what to do, what not to do. And since I achieved, since I started, so I started with ALOA. I did not join Platinum, so I joined ALOA. My main reason for joining ALOA was to get more money, to like obviously more money, and obviously to attract a wonderful job was my main reason. And I was very unhappy in my job for a lot of years. For very long, I was just unhappy. I used to not get good colleagues, and that would give me a lot of anxiety. I would have to be alone all the time, and I would not know what the directions were. So when I joined ALOA, you won't believe I am the most fastest manifester. Saturday, Sunday. Friday, I got a rejection from an interview. Saturday, Sunday, I did ALA. Monday, I got a message from the same trust that they're going to offer me another interview for another position in the same trust, but it was more aligned to what I wanted to do.
Wow.
It was exactly what I wanted to do, and it was just wonderful. I'm working over here right now. First of all, I have amazing relationship with my colleagues. I have wonderful colleagues. That relationship bit over there has improved because I did not have good relationship with them. Secondly, in terms of my career, I'm doing so well. I'm learning so much because I'm a dietitian by profession, so I have to learn more like cancer, this and that, more deep stuff. So I'm learning so much. And also, money wise, I got a jump of 9 to 10 LPA from my previous job to this job. So when I joined Platinum, so after that, after ALO, I immediately joined Platinum even before getting this job. I had like last piece of money. I actually took loan from credit card and I paid for Platinum, and I've made what 3 to 4 times more.
Okay, good.
No, I knew that I would be able to manage this because obviously I was earning well, so I knew that I would be able to manage this. So I had this. My anxiety has improved so much. I do not know what anxiety is now. Like immediately with all the IMK framework and Hope Nope No, it has
Wow.
gotten so much better that
Wow.
I sometimes feel like what was anxiety? Like I try to create some situations in my life jahan anxiety I was like, no, I don't get anxiety. I'm so chill. In terms of health, I had major IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, especially after moving to another country. So I was not able to digest a lot of food. Even though being a gut specialist dietitian, I was not able to heal myself. But because of not having a routine in my life, but this IMK, this thing gave me a bit of routine where I was able to, I was writing my affirmations and things were automatically happening. And everything that I've written down as an affirmation, Indu ma'am, has happened in my life.
अरे वाह.
I wanted a good gut. I've got the best gut. My main goal was to do ALO and improve myself. Okay. And I did that. And I understood that wealth is probably not the first thing that I want. I want to improve myself. I need to grow myself and be a better person first. I had major premenstrual issues. Like before my periods, I used to get so much depressed and I used to feel suicidal. The next day I used to be fine. Since last 10 months, 8 to 10 months, I've not got any issues that way. So this was one of my other good things that has happened with me. I think as a person, I have changed so much. I am so happy. I am so blessed. I have such rich relationship with my family, with my colleagues, which colleagues was one thing that I was really struggling with. So I have really good relationship. And more than that, I understood the yin yang that was there. I had both yin and yang was low for me. And I remember like when I did ALA for the first time, I had a panic attack in front of Mitesh sir. And after that, I have changed completely as a person. I know where yin is important. I know where yang is important. I have a beautiful relationship with myself. Itni positivity है life में that nothing negative can touch me was my anchor that I used and I kept at it. And more than that, I think I've had like so much clarity in my life as what do I want. Ki I used to run. My main reason, as I said, was to earn more money. But then I realized that earning more money is not the first thing that I want. It's to help myself be a better person, and then eventually, and then I've made lots of money. I swear I've made good amount of money. I'm gonna start my own business as well very soon. There are some legal things that are going on. We're gonna sort that out very soon, and then I'm gonna start being a health coach. Thank you so much, Irindu ma'am and Mitesh sir को कि आप दोनों को कि आप इतने इतने प्यारे हो and you've always there for me. And I feel like even थोड़ा सा छोटा सा भी प्रॉब्लम आता है ना, तो इधर I would add into the community, and I've got to that point कि अगर प्रॉब्लम आएगा ना, I know I can deal with it. The job I have, the work I'm doing is absolutely, I'm loving each and every day. I love it. I love it. And that is something what I came to in Platinum, to become happier, and to now I'm attracting more wealth. I'm not even asking for it, and I got a pay rise. I'm attracting wealth everywhere. So now I know my wealth frequency is quite high. I'm gonna start attracting a lot more, and I am so sure I'm gonna do a lot more.
Congratulations.
Thank
Congratulations.
you. Thank
Congratulations.
you.